Hey Facebook advertiser, do you know how to find $1 million ads for your next converting Facebook ad strategy? And you don't need to be using any expensive tools or anything like that, but it is hard to find those kind of ads, right? You know, you're not able to get access to the ad spend, the conversions, and the ROAS. How do you really know? Now, before I reveal the two filters that I use and the method that I use with a free tool, if you want to see more videos just like this one, please click that subscribe button and that bell button to get instant notifications on new videos just like this one. I plan to make content that is going to help you save time, boost your strategy and your ROAS without being very similar to the other YouTube videos that are out there. Ones that are like, hey, use lead ad forms instead of lead conversion campaigns. I find lead conversion campaigns to just perform better, but that's just me. Okay, back to the video, Joel. Let's get into it. So how do I define $1 million ad? Well, if you think about it, are you going to be continually spending money on an ad that does not convert for a month? Chances are no. 2 months? No. 3? Definitely not. 6? For surely not. A year? Well, definitely not. 18 months? Well, come on. You think I'm just wasting money? Pouring all my ad spend down the toilet? No, we're not. Okay, so that has given us a bit of an idea there. So how do I define $1 million ad? It is one that is active. So it has to be active. That is one. Number 2 is it has to meet a certain range of dates criteria. So it can be created, the from date doesn't matter of the impression, but it's the to date that does. So let's just say that today is June. Well, if we want to have a look at ads that were created and had an impression date that are still active 3 months before, that's our to date. So we have a distance here of about 3 months. Okay, so we're on the Meta library or the Facebook ad library. It's free to use for everybody. You're like, well, how do we find $1 million ads here? When I put in some stuff, all I get is like, and I have to scroll and scroll and scroll and scroll. Well, we can add some filters. So first, our filter is, I'm just going to select United States as the country. All ads, and I'm looking at products or looking at the sleep market. What different products are out there, the different offers, the different headlines, the different copy, the level of awareness of that copy. Are they more in a product and a problem solution awareness stage? Where are they in that journey? What creatives are working best? Short videos, images, carousels, what? Let's have a look. Okay. Now, we discussed those two filters. There was 2, remember? The first one was it has to be active. So if we click filters, active status right here, active, and remember the 2 was the difference, the span. So if we're sitting at the 7th of June right now. Actually, where I am, it's the 8th of June, but the system hasn't updated. So the 7th of June. If we want to have a look at 30 days prior, well, we're going to go the 7th of May. Impression date on or before the 7th of May. So that means these ads have been running for at least 30 days. Now you can see here, it's active and started running on the 3rd of May. Okay? That is over a month ago. So there's an idea here that these ads, recent ads, are working. And that is the other thing too, is to be looking at ads that are recent. Markets change from time to time. Maybe those old offers aren't working like they did before. But let's have a look and confirm that query. Now, unfortunately, you cannot change the filters. You just click this cross here, or we just click filters, and we're just going to add a new one. Okay. So let's go about 6 months. Let's go to the start of January 2023. You just got to wait, and there we go. Click apply, and here we go. It's waiting. So we still get 4,900 results. 4,900 ads that are still active and that were created on or before the 1st of January. And you can see active 9th of December last year, 7th of October last year, 9th of September last year. Okay, so let's click filters and let's go back even further. Let's go back to the previous year, January of 2022. Now we're going to click apply and we still have 930 ads. You can see this one's active 1st of January 2020. You can see here it's an image ad. Less doing and thinking, more being and feeling. Here we go. Now some of these aren't directly related to sleep, but they might have sleep in them. So that is the other thing too. Obviously we've got mattresses here and sleep apnea. This is 6th of July 2021. There's a lot of text in these. And obviously they're probably more like reels and stories and those more Instagram type vertical creatives. But this gives you a huge idea for your next ad strategy to help you lower your ad costs, help you with your lead conversion campaigns, your lead funnels, your sales funnels, and your sales conversion campaigns to obviously help you maximize your ROAS and get the most out of your Facebook ads. Now this data is pretty powerful. It's going to be helping you be able to create that perfect Facebook ad strategy for 2023 and beyond, for 2024 and whatnot, for your digital marketing. No matter whether it's e-com, whether you're a service-based business, whether you're digital products and like online e-commerce, you're a coach, whoever this may be, this is really going to help you maximize your ROAS and get the best ROI from your ads, because this is just going to help you, give you an idea on offers that are working, different products, different headlines, marketing angles, different creatives, short form videos working better, what type of videos, what type of creative, what's on the creative. It's going to help give you a lot of inspiration. Now, it's important that we are not copying the exact ads. That's unethical. We need to make sure that we are ethically, just creating something that's similar, that works, but not the same. And that is what is important. This is going to help you find your $1 million ads. It's just great to use these two filters. So what were the two filters just quickly? The ads have to be active, that the offer has to relate, so the keyword has to still be active, and the to date, which is the span from when the ad was created to now. So that to date can be 6 months in advance, 12 months in advance, 18 months in advance, that to date. So it needs to be running for some time. Now, for me, $1 million ad could be anything in the 6 month to 1 year range. That is kind of how I define that. And it just gives me a lot of insights as to what is currently working. Now, if you want to consistently save time creating ads, the images, the copy and whatnot, I have a free group that is going to help you with AI and creating ads at speed that convert. Now, the group is free. Click the link somewhere in the description of this video to go and join. I have a workshop series coming up, so go and join that. That is completely free for you because I really want to help you maximize your ROAS and save time doing so. Now, if you like this video, please click that like button. If you're brand new here, please click subscribe and that bell button to get instant notifications on new videos just like this one.